everyone, here's Mayuri back with the new tutorial on Java conditional operator. How exactly the conditional operator used here. We are going to have also practical session now. So my dear friends, let's begin it. So conditional operator in Java. My dear friends, the character pair, that is question mark and colon, is a tertiary operator available in Java. That means the condition operator is also known as tertiary operator. This operator is used to construct conditional expression of the form. Here is the syntax for expression 1, question mark, expression 2, colon, expression 3. Here we will have a 3 expression. Now let's see how exactly it works. Now see, suppose at expression 1 we give some condition, that suppose A is greater than B or any other condition. If this condition becomes true, if it is true, then expression 2 will get executed. Or if the expression 1 is false, the condition is not true, that means it is false, then expression 3 will get executed. This is how the working of conditional operator is. Dear friend, just remember that only one of expression is evaluated. Now here I have taken an example where A is equal to 10, B is equal to 50. Right, now X is equal to, here I have did the conditional operator use, that is A is greater than B. If this condition is true, then A will get print or else B will get. That means whenever the condition is true, then the expression 2 will get executed, which is B here, and if it is false, it will get executed B. In this example, X will be assigned value of B, right? This can be achieved using a if-else statement. My dear friends, conditional operator is same as the if-else statement. If you see, execution is same but in a different way, syntax is different. Now here, above example and this if-else have the same meaning and the same executions happens here. So now my dear friends, you will clear all the doubts. So now we will have a practical session. So let's have a watch on it. So my dear friends, here I have taken the class condition ex in public static void main. Here I have declared the two variable, integer variable, that is x is equal to 12 and y is equal to 34. Here I have taken the string str, that is 12 is smallest, and str1, that is 34 is greater. And here string A is equal to where conditional operator here I have used, that is x is greater than y. If it's true, then string will get execute, or else str1 will get execute if it's false. Now here A, why I have given the return type string? Because whatever my result is, that is str and str1, I have used in string, and hence the return type of A is string, my dear friends, and hence here I have used the return type string. That means it depends upon what it is going to result, that is depending upon the expression 2 and 3, what it has a return type, that will be the return type of the conditional operator. Now let's execute it. Now first I will compile the code. Yes, it has compiled successfully. Now let's interpret. See, 34 is greater. Why 34 is greater? Because the condition is false. 12 is not greater than 34, and hence str1 is get executed. Now let's do in opposite, that x is smaller than y. Here it is true, so str will get executed, that is y is smaller. So my dear friends, this is what the conditional operator works in Java.